This weather is turning spring break into a bust for out-of-towners. They don't come to Florida looking for cold weather. ABC Action News reporter Michael Paluska live at Clearwater Beach tonight, where the winds are whipping out there. Michael?
Jameson, I don't come to Florida either for colder weather. The winds are whipping right here off the Gulf, and you can see where the sand has been piling up. This is happening all over town. People are disappointed, but they definitely told us this is a spring break they'll remember.
I like big hair, and it's a good thing.
Long hair is flying all over Clearwater Beach tonight as bundled up tourists and some wearing short shorts brave the frigid temps.
It's not ideal. I thought that it'd be like warm and stuff like that, but
It's a little colder and windier.
Dana Hendry is a softball player for Rutgers University. They have games all week here until Sunday.
Oh yeah, like none of us packed Under Armour or anything.
A few people braved the wind to enjoy dinner outside, next outdoor heaters, of course. Tourists ran from building to building to avoid the sand stinging their faces. They can't say it hasn't been fun.
Being out here, it's kind of an adventure. We haven't been here when it's been gale force winds before, or gotten tornado warnings on our phones, so.
Even with bad weather, people are out and about enjoying all Clearwater Beach has to offer, because after all, it's
spring break!
So at least they were having some fun. I actually had to borrow this jacket from my photographer because I thought this storm was hitting tomorrow. So that will teach me to not listen to Dennis Phillips's forecast. Dennis, I'll listen to you tomorrow. I'll have someone else's jacket. And this one, it doesn't smell as good, but don't tell my photographer that. We're live here in Clearwater Beach. Michael Paluska, ABC Action News.